A fee simple determinable and a fee simple subject to a condition subsequent are similar in that both forms of property ownership come with conditions attached. But they differ with respect to the consequences of the grantee's failure to comply with those conditions, and the former is generally considered a harsher and less desirable form of ownership. The New Jersey Supreme Court considered whether a deed created one form of ownership or the other in Oldfield v. Stoeco Homes. The city of Ocean City, New Jersey owned certain lots of low-lying, undeveloped land that it advertised for public sale. Stoeco Homes purchased some of the lots and received a deed with conditions requiring it to fill and grade all the lots within 1 year, including those retained by Ocean City. The deed stated that failure to comply with the conditions would result in an automatic reversion of ownership to Ocean City. Additionally, the deed stated that Ocean City reserved the right to modify those conditions. Filling and grading the lots proved more difficult than expected, and Stoeco was ultimately unable to meet the 1-year deadline. Accordingly, Ocean City passed a resolution extending the deadline. Stoeco was similarly unable to meet the new deadline, and Ocean City passed another resolution extending the deadline even further. Winifred Oldfield and several other residents and taxpayers of Ocean City initiated a lawsuit in New Jersey State Court. Oldfield challenged the validity of the resolutions and demanded a reversion of ownership to Ocean City based on Stoeco's failure to meet the original 1-year deadline. The trial court determined that the deed to Stoeco created a fee simple subject to a condition subsequent rather than a fee simple determinable and entered judgment for Stoeco. Oldfield appealed to the state's Intermediate Appellate Court, and the case was transferred to the New Jersey Supreme Court by its own motion.